Hello, namaste, and welcome to Ramble and Curry. It's a bit of a bittersweet moment, as we are winding down our adventure in Thailand. This right here is the final episode of Thailand Travel series, and honestly, word can't do justice as to how amazing our time has been in this amazing, beautiful country. So to cap things off, let's go and check out this amazingly picture-perfect place in Phuket Old Town. It's a beauty that's beyond description, so without further ado, let's go and start the video. Our stay at the Marriott in Phuket Old Town was hands down one of the best lodging experience we ever had. The convenience of its location in the heart of Old Town made exploring these vibrant streets and savoring the local culture incredibly easy. While in Thailand, one simply can't resist the allure of the extraordinary traditional Thai massage. My wife and I found ourselves almost addicted to the sheer bliss it brought. And as our time in this incredible country drew to a close, we knew we had to indulge in the relaxation one more time before bidding farewell to Thailand. Phuket Old Town is an enchanting gem that effortlessly captures the essence of a bygone era. Its beauty is nothing short of mesmerizing. As we wandered through the quaint streets, we were transported to a world that felt straight out of a European fairy tale. The architecture with its intricate detailing and pastel hue was a captivating sight to behold. It evoked a sense of nostalgia and wonder as if each building held a story of its own. The Sino-Portuguese style in particular left us in awe as it seamlessly blended Chinese and European influence, creating a unique and charming ambience. Every corner we turned revealed another picturesque scene, from vibrant street art adoring weathered walls to cozy cafe tucked away in historic shophouses. Phuket's Old Town's timeless beauty and undeniable charm make it a place where history and culture merge to create an unforgettable experience. It's a destination that not only captures the heart, but also transports you to an old world allured by architectural splendor. As we immerse ourselves in exploring, you can follow me on Instagram to keep up with my daily adventures. This sacred sanctuary with its ornated architecture and tranquil atmosphere stood as a timeless refuge amidst the bustling street of the old town. As we entered its hallowed grounds, the scent of incense filled the air and the soft murmur of prayers became a soothing melody. I don't believe how incredible the street paintings are in this place. They're absolutely mind-blowing. If you're enjoying my content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of my latest videos and you'll be supporting me and helping me to grow my channel. Phuket restaurant is a culinary gem that captures the essence of Thailand's vibrant flavor and rich food culture. It's a must-visit dining destination that promises a delightful journey through the Thai cuisine with its authentic dish and warm ambience. Honestly, this was one of the best restaurant experience we had, and oh my god, the food was just mouth-watering. As the moment to leave finally arrived, we headed towards the airport with a bittersweet feeling. With the last sip of our beloved boba tea, we savored the familiar flavor one more time, a sweet farewell to a memorable journey. As the flight soared into the sky, the view of the airport below was nothing short of stunning and breathtaking. Hey there, it's me Himangshu, and I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for tuning into this Phuket Old Town video. There is more of Thailand adventure waiting for you to explore, so why don't you go and hit on the playlist and check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and of course hit on the like button. Share this video with more people and subscribe to the channel if you're not done already. And please hit on the bell notification so that you're aware whenever there's a new video uploaded. So until the next one, take care.